everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to create Papercup Garland. Take some paper cups, color them using yellow acrylic color as shown. Now stick the decorative lace at the border. Decorate each paper cup using decorative bead as shown. Now make the holes from both the sides. Insert the decorative lace as shown. And that's it for today's video. Your Papercup garland is ready. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.